Wow, did you know your body is a super machine that can turn that pizza slice into pure energy? Yeah, it's wild. Have you ever stopped and wondered, how does that whole eating and pooping thing actually happen? Well, guess what? Today, we're diving headfirst into the amazing, mind-blowing, seriously simple science behind your digestive system. Get ready to have your taste buds tickled and your brains blown, because we're breaking it all down, easy peasy.
Okay, massive science fives coming your way. Have you ever devoured a delicious pizza, a juicy apple, or even just a handful of popcorn, and then just forgotten about it? But here's the wild part. Inside you, a phenomenal, super efficient food factory just sprang to life. Today, we're uncovering the incredible secret journey your food takes. And trust me, it's way cooler than you think.
Think of your body like the most advanced high-tech factory on the planet. And when you eat, you're loading up the raw materials. But your body can't use a whole pizza slice or a giant apple chunk as fuel. Oh no! It needs to break them down into super tiny, microscopic building blocks. Things like sugars, proteins and fats that your cells can actually use. For energy, for growth, for everything.
So, those tiny building blocks, we call them nutrients. And the entire mission of your digestive system is to take that yummy food, extract every single precious nutrient, and send it zooming to where it's needed. It's like turning a big Lego castle into individual Lego bricks so you can build something brand new. Pretty neat, right?
Alright, buckle up, because our food's adventure begins the moment it hits your mouth. This isn't just a waiting room, it's the official welcome centre and initial demolition zone. Your teeth, those incredible grinders, mechanically break down food into smaller pieces. But wait, there's more. Your saliva, that stuff isn't just water. It's packed with special enzymes, tiny chemical scissors that start breaking down carbohydrates, like the starch in bread, right then and there. It's like a pre-wash cycle for your food. Once your mouth has done its chomping and pre-washing, you swallow. And that mouthful of partially digested food, now called a bolus, takes a thrilling ride down your esophagus. This isn't just a passive tube, oh no. Your esophagus performs a magical trick called peristalsis. It's like a muscular wave, squeezing and pushing the food down, almost like squeezing toothpaste out of a tube. Gravity helps, sure, but your esophagus is the real MVP here, ensuring food always reaches its destination, even if you're hanging upside down. And then bam! Into the stomach we go. Imagine a super muscular, J-shaped bag that acts like the body's ultimate blender. Your stomach lining secretes incredibly strong stomach acid, powerful enough to dissolve razor blades, but don't try that at home, and special enzymes. It churns, it mashes, it mixes everything into a thick, soupy liquid called chyme. This is where proteins really start getting broken down. It's a total acid bath and a muscle workout all in one, preparing the food for its next big stage. From the stomach, the chyme slowly squirts into the small intestine. And folks, this is where the real magic happens. Despite its name, the small intestine is actually super long, about 20 feet coiled up inside you. It's the ultimate nutrient superhighway. Here, with the help of some amazing backup dancers, most of the actual nutrient absorption takes place. To make sure it grabs every last bit of goodness, the inside of your small intestine is covered in millions of tiny, finger-like projections called villi. Think of them like microscopic sponges or tiny grappling hooks, vastly increasing the surface area to soak up all those precious sugars, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals. These nutrients then pass through the villi walls directly into your bloodstream, ready to be whisked away to every single cell in your body. Isn't that an aha moment? But the small intestine isn't alone in this massive nutrient extraction mission. It gets incredible help from the support crew. Your pancreas, a hidden hero, squirts in digestive enzymes that break down even more fats, proteins and carbs. And your liver produces bile, which your gallbladder stores. Bile is like the body's super powerful dish soap, breaking down large globs of fat into tiny droplets so the enzymes can work on them. Together, they make sure nothing goes to waste. Once all the good stuff is absorbed in the small intestine, the leftover material, mostly water, fibre and undigestible bits, moves into the large intestine. This is the body's amazing water reclamation plant. Its main job is to absorb water back into your body, firming up the waste material. And here's another cool fact. Your large intestine is home to trillions of friendly bacteria, your gut microbiome, who help break down some remaining fibre and even produce some vitamins for you. They're like your tiny internal roommates doing helpful chores.
Finally, the remaining waste, now solid store, is stored in the rectum until it's time for its grand exit through the anus. This is the body's efficient way of getting rid of everything it can't use or needs to expel. Every system has a beginning, a middle, and an end, right?
So, why does understanding all this matter? Because without this incredible non-stop digestive journey, you wouldn't have the energy to run, jump, think, learn, or even just breathe. Every single cell in your body relies on the digestive system to deliver the fuel and building blocks it needs to survive and thrive. It's literally what keeps you going. And knowing how it works helps you make smarter choices. Eating fibre-rich foods keeps things moving smoothly. Drinking enough water helps your large intestine do its job efficiently. Giving your gut those healthy bacteria with foods like yogurt or fermented veggies, super important for your overall health, even your mood. You are what you absorb, not just what you eat. Okay, let's do a lightning fast recap of our amazing food journey. It starts in the mouth with chewing and saliva, slides down the esophagus, gets blended and doused in acid in the stomach. Then the small intestine is the superstar, absorbing most nutrients with help from the pancreas and liver. The large intestine reclaims water and houses helpful bacteria. And finally, the waste exits. It's a continuous, incredible process happening inside you right now. See? Your body isn't just a bag of bones and muscles. It's a living, breathing, incredibly complex machine, performing miracles every single second. Understanding how your digestion works isn't just science, it's understanding you. So next time you eat, give a little mental high five to your amazing digestive system for doing its incredible, tireless work. Keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep being awesome, future scientists.
Alright, so that's the amazing journey of your food. How cool is it that your body is this incredible self-sufficient factory, turning everything you eat into pure energy and awesome stuff for you? Now you know how this actually works. Isn't that incredible? If you're feeling that spark of curiosity and want to unlock more of the universe's secrets, then hit that subscribe button. We're making science fun and easy for everyone, and we can't wait to explore more with you. Keep asking questions, keep being awesome, and I'll see you in the next adventure.